Hello and welcome for my video about PHP. In this video I will show how about you can use the basic syntax in PHP and how you work with the PHP tags. So let's beginning to start, and we can type hello world. As everything else, we have the browser here, and if you reload we will have hello, and that's very basic. And you have the PHP file here, and you can basically do this in an HTML file called .html or HTML. So now we want to open the PHP script. You can do it to use the bracket here and the question mark and type PHP. And then we can type echo and say hello world and close it again. And go back and reload. And we see we have the hello world application already. And if we're going back, you can see we don't have any close PHP tag. So if we want to type something outside the PHP tag, we need to close it. And here we can say this is my first hello world app, and we can make up here so we can have a line break. And if you want one more PHP tag, we can just type it here, second line of PHP, and we want a line break here, and we want to close it. If we're going back to the browser, you can see the 3 steps here. The first one is hello world. It's normal with line breaks, and this is simply basic HTML, no rocket science here. And then the last one, we have a PHP again, and we have it for our application here. Hello world, this is my first hello world app, second line of PHP. And if we want, we can basically combine it. Here you can say hello, and then we can say world, and then a line break here. If you're going back to a browser, you can see hello world. So that's about the PHP tag. Back in time, you could use the old ASP open this way and type your code and then close it again. You can't do this from php7, so don't think about to learn it. It doesn't matter. Just think this is the only way you can work with your PHP code, then you are safety. Thank you so much for watching this video and about the PHP basic syntax with the PHP tags. I hope you want to subscribe my channel and click on the thing below. And if you have some questions, please make them in the comments field, and of course share it with your friends and add it to your playlist so you can find it later. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time.